Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for username and password, refer to the lab instructions. Now first thing you'll get one kind of pop-up. You have to click on I understand and then we'll move forward to the next pop-up. Just scroll down and click on this pop-up. And here we have to just click on I agree and continue, and then you can see the vertex CI. From there you have to click on dashboard option. Okay, if it is not clicking, just click on the vertex CI and then we'll move forward to the dashboard page. If it opens like this, you have to just click on agree and continue. Okay, just click on agree and continue, and then we can move forward to the next step of this lab. So here you can see you have to just come to the dashboard. You can see on the left side dashboard option is there. You have to click on it and just click on enable all recommended APIs. One more important thing, in the task 1 we have to enable all the APIs by activating the Cloud Shell. You can just check the lab instructions. Now from here, now just scroll down in the Vertex AI page and just find out the workbench in the notebook section, and we have to just click on the workbench option. So just click on it in the notebook section like this. Here we'll create a new notebook. So for creating new notebook, you have to click on, make sure you are in the instance section, and here you can see we have an option to click on create new. You have to simply click on create new and copy the name from here. Just paste the name, and for the region and zone you can always check the lab instruction. I will tell you how you can just see it. Here you can see multiple regions and zones are here, but whatever is mentioned on the lab instruction, if it says US East 1, US East 4, US West 4, like this you have to select. Once all these things are done, you have to just click on create. So once it is created, it will take some time. I repeat one more important thing, that in the task number 1, okay, in the task number 1 what I said, that we have to enable some of the APIs. Okay, so you have to activate the Cloud Shell. How will you activate the Cloud Shell? You can see the icon next to the Gemini. You have to click on it and then click on continue and just authorize yourself. After that, you have to simply paste the command which is mentioned on the task number 1, and then you can move ahead. And even if you miss this, do not worry, at last will complete. I just wanted to share, and this lab is a little bit lengthy and tricky, so please follow the way I am doing and make sure your internet connection does not disconnect. And one more important thing, your laptop does not goes on sleep. So go to the lock screen or display setting and just enable the display. You can do one more thing, you can keep this video running or any other video also running, then it will be fixed. Now wait for the notebook to get created, it will take some time. You can try to refresh the page also. And finally, you can see the Open Jupyter Lab is just now enabled. You have to click on Open Jupyter Lab. And if you are facing issue like the Jupyter is taking long time to respond, close this tab and just reopen using the Open Jupyter Lab. Now it will take some time, and here we have to do some manual steps also and perform some automated steps also, which is just mentioned as per the lab instructions. So you need not to worry about it. Now wait for the Jupyter notebook to get ready. It's again taking some time. Now finally the notebook is ready. You have to scroll down and click on the terminal. Now come to the lab instruction. Okay, just come to the lab instruction and just check the score for task number 1. Now for task number 2, you have to just click on this copy the link and just control V over here and hit enter. If you are unable to copy, just do one thing, right click and just paste it. Or even sometimes what happens, just by clicking on right click button, the code is pasted and then you have to just hit enter. Now we have copied and completed task 2. Now task 3, 4, 5 are lengthy. It may take 45 to 55 minutes. Just I wanted to aware all of you. And here you have to please pay attention whatever I am doing. Now first thing, we have to delete the existing file from here. Just right click and click on delete. Now the next step is that in the description box of this video I've shared this repository. You have to download this file to your local system on your mobile phone or your laptop or PC, and we'll be uploading it. You can see here there is no option to upload over here. So what we have to do, you can see here on this up arrow, click on it and just locate the file which you have downloaded just now, and just select the version. Okay, now once the file is uploaded, it will be shown on the directory. You can see here, just open it, double click to open. Now the next thing is that we have to select the kernel. So for kernel, just select it like this and just select TensorFlow. Whatever is mentioned on the lab instruction, it gets updated sometimes. Sometimes they ask for Python also. So you need to check the lab instruction for that. As of now, it's TensorFlow 211. Now here it's just initiating, and once you see the kernel is idle, kernel idle means the circle is not filled. Now come over here and just import the OS. Just click on this play button. What we did, we just placed our mouse cursor. Okay, and then just we run the play button. Using the play button, we run the command. Now after that, we have to restart the kernel, and please follow the video carefully, because if you miss this, you will either get 80 out of 100 or even get 95 out of 100. So you need to follow the video carefully. So you can see the kernel is now idle. Once you see the circle is not filled, in that case you have to just come over here in the restart kernel section. Just place your mouse over here, mouse cursor, and once the shell is highlighted, you have to just run it and restart the kernel. So let me show you how you have to do it. So before we just move to this step, make sure you check the description box of this video how to complete all the challenges. Okay, I've shared the master sheet also. Now here, one more important thing, the kernel is just showing a pop-up. You have to click on OK. Now from here, the next step starts. Now the next step is that you can see here, the kernel is now ready. Okay. Now from here, you have to just click on run, and first click on the shell. Okay, then run selected cells and all below. Okay, run selected cells and all below. Now this command will take 45 to 57 minutes, sometimes even more. So make sure your internet is not disconnected even for a second. By mistake, if it gets disconnected, you have to start from step 1, whatever we did from just creating the notebook also, or just by opening the notebook also. Sometimes the lab restart is also required due to the models are already deployed in failed state, and sometimes you cannot recreate it depending on the lab info. So you need to wait for 45 to 55 minutes. So after that, let's move ahead and let me fast forward this step. So in my case, after 58 minutes, it was done, and you can see the kernel is now idle. Now the next thing we'll be doing is just checking the score for each and every task. But here I missed one thing, which I am going to tell you. Here we'll be getting 95 points only. For getting 5 more points, what we need to do, let's explore it. First of all, let's check the score. So just come to the lab instructions and check the score like this. You can see we have got the 95 out of 100. And if we try to check the score for task number 1, you can see here, if we check the score for task number 1, we are not getting the score. What is the problem is that by mistake, I did not enable the APIs. So first of all, come to the Cloud Console page and just click on this button to activate the Cloud Shell. I have already informed in the video beforehand so that you can complete it also. Now here you'll get another pop-up. You have to simply click on continue, and after that you have to simply authorize yourself. So it's a very simple task. You need to just check it out. And now one more important thing, do hype the video and do subscribe the channel, guys. Just scroll up and come to the task number 1, copy this command, hit enter, and just wait for a few seconds. Once you see the API is enabled over here, now just check the score, and this is the way we have to complete the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.